Hi there, I'm Rayne Gibson with Taproot's Horticulture Consulting. Today I'm filming at Scapes Incorporated, located in Lafayette, Louisiana. They are a residential and commercial landscaper that specializes in the full service of design, install, and maintain. This week's topic is goals and their progress flow from conception to direction, quantification, accountability, and then finally results. First, let's talk about the goals that didn't get achieved last year. Can you find your goals from last year? What about the year before that? Are there definable reasons why these goals fell short? Looking back is just as important as looking forward, but rarely gets the attention. What I found most important is to actually physically write these goals down. Put them somewhere visible at all times. Personally, I put a list right behind my monitor so it's visible every time I turn on my laptop. Writing these down in the first page of a notebook always sounds like a great idea until you cover it up on the second page or the third page with short-term tasks, which seems like a great metaphor for the easiest ways for goals to get forgotten. They get pushed off to the side by other small tasks. Step 1, conception. See what broad areas of your business have the best opportunity for betterment. These are your long-term topics. Let's take improving purchasing as an example. Step 2, direction. This is where you start dialing in the broad topics and refining them and grouping them together. Writing down steps that will help achieve these goals is one of the best things you can do. To keep with this example, let's say we're going to improve the purchasing of raw materials. This is where we can start to further dial in the medium-term goals and exactly what it's going to look like. This could be your quarterly goal. Step 3, quantification. This is where you put your measurements in. It gives us a place to start and hard facts to work from. In our example, we want to say that we want to increase our margins by 5% on purchase materials. Step 4, accountability. This is where the real measure of your determination is going to be found. Having a personal and company-wide goals known throughout can also bring in others to help you achieve these goals, or maybe you can help them achieve their goals. In our example, let's bring up in a meeting that you've been working on gaining that 5%, but maybe you only got to 3%. List out what roadblocks you've come across, whatever they may be. Step 5, results. Be proud of your accomplishments. Don't neglect the shortcomings. Evaluate what your next goal should be or how to morph your current goal into the next step. Maybe instead of improved purchasing margins by 5%, that turns into gaining 5% new vendors to purchase from. If you need more in-depth training for your goals, feel free to send me a message directly or an email. I hope to hear from you soon.